Thutha wa seneta 38 muthi wa ira gwitikirania na ndereti ya kwambatirio gikiro gwa tauni ya Naikuru nginyagia mucii munene, muingi wa Naikuru raitikire barabara-ini cia tauni ino na gikeno na nduhiu. Itua riri rigitanywo gucenjia ritho ria muonere na mwikire wa maundu thiini wa Naikuru.
Upcoming projects include the putting of the NMT, non-motorized transport, on Kenyatta Avenue, which we should be beginning by the end of this month of June. So we are looking forward to more funding to enable us embark on this.
Na umuthi gavana wa Naikuru ndomwe na bunge ya kaunti no ni marekereirie ndumiriri ya gatho kuri bunge ya Senate. Gavana Kinyanjui akiuga riũa ria wonjoria na kugacira gwa tauni ya Naikuru ni ririkitie kuratha.
We had unlikely friends we didn't know, now we know we have them. And I think moving forward, Nakuru has always been the uniting place where people from all over come and find a place to call home. We want to continue with that image. And indeed, on behalf of the people of Nakuru, I want to pass my sincere gratitude to the Senate for that historic milestone yesterday.
Makiarĩrĩria ndereti no senators ni maroririe utongoria wa Naikuru kugacirithia motungata makiria thiini wa muthubari, undu uria Stella Wanjiru muikarĩri giti wa muthubari uyu augite maricemba kuhingia.
Some of these projects include the Kiamorogi drainage, and we also have the fire station. We also purchased 2 fire engines, and we also commenced the construction of the Afraha Stadium, which we should be completing by the end of March next year.
Makiria senators ni marakorirwo makiorota gavana wa Naikuru kumana na giko gia kungania na gute ciana iria ciururaga matauni-ini. Miario iria gavana Kinyanjui anyururitie guku akiuria twarithia ndereti ino kuyumiria na kumiarĩrĩria nja ya bunge.
It's very wrong for you to use children as part of your political campaign. If you want to run, if you want to fight, come and tell us what you want. Don't weaponize the house for personal gain. How is it that the whole people of Nakuru, I walk here every day, I meet all people, I don't hear it until I go to Senate? What is so special that it is only heard there?
Gikiro kia mucii munene gikoretwo gigituthura hau kuri muingi makiri hari kwambatira kwa garama ya wonjoria, undu uria Speaker Joel Kairu hamwe na Gavana Kinyanjui mateteire.
I would request the executive to hold a bit so that the wananchi of Nakuru should start first of all by enjoying the fruits of the city before recommending for any increase of the rates and the committee to adjudicate on that.
Riu maitho mothe marongoreirie mutongoria wa bururi no ri utanyitwo kwamukira watho uyu kuma kuri bunge ya Senate na gucoka kuwikira kirore na muthia Naikuru ikorwo igitika mucii munene kiwatho. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Naikuru, ritwa riakwa ni Wang'ombe wa Maina.